Hello, today we are going to learn applications of machine learning and machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. It involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable machines to improve their performance on a specific task. The applications of machine learning are many and varied, and they are continually expanding. Natural language processing involves the use of machine learning algorithms to enable computers to understand and interpret human language. Applications of natural language processing include sentiment analysis, chatbots, and language translation. It has been used to improve customer service and automate repetitive tasks in many industries. Image recognition involves the use of machine learning algorithms to enable computers to identify and classify objects within images. Applications of image recognition include facial recognition, object detection, and medical imaging. It has been used to improve security and automate quality control in many industries. Fraud detection involves the use of machine learning algorithms to identify patterns of fraudulent behavior in large datasets. Applications of fraud detection include credit card fraud detection, insurance fraud detection, and identity theft prevention. It has been used to save companies millions of dollars by detecting fraudulent activity early. Recommendation systems involve the use of machine learning algorithms to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their past behavior. Applications of recommendation systems include movie recommendations, product recommendations, and music recommendations. It has been used to increase user satisfaction and improve sales in many industries. Predictive maintenance involves the use of machine learning algorithms to predict when equipment is likely to fail so that maintenance can be scheduled in advance. Applications of predictive maintenance include aircraft maintenance, manufacturing equipment maintenance, and vehicle maintenance. It has been used to reduce downtime and maintenance costs in many industries. Autonomous vehicles involve the use of machine learning algorithms to enable vehicles to navigate and operate without human input. Applications of autonomous vehicles include self-driving cars, drones, and robots. It has the potential to revolutionize transportation and logistics in the future. Financial analysis involves the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze financial data and predict market trends. Applications of financial analysis include stock market prediction, risk management, and fraud detection. It has been used to make better investment decisions and reduce financial risk in many industries. Healthcare involves the use of machine learning algorithms to improve patient outcomes and streamline healthcare operations. Applications of healthcare include disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. It has the potential to improve the quality of healthcare and reduce healthcare costs in the future. Customer relationship management involves the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data and improve customer engagement. Applications of customer relationship management include customer segmentation, personalized marketing, and customer service chatbots. It has been used to improve customer satisfaction and increase customer loyalty in many industries. Agriculture involves the use of machine learning algorithms to optimize crop yields and improve farming practices. Applications of agriculture include crop prediction, soil analysis, and pest control. It has the potential to increase food production and reduce waste in the future. Machine learning has a wide range of applications in various industries, and it is continually expanding. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work in the future. As the technology advances, the possibilities for machine learning are virtually limitless. Thank you for watching us.